What's going on, guys? E-Bibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So we got a good one for you today. It's a quick one, but it's a good one. We are talking about something that is long overdue. We're talking about wireless cameras, and that's in the home security standpoint. So if you're interested in that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and come along, guys. Alright guys, you seen the thumbnail, you seen the intro, you know what's going on. We're talking about home security cameras, and we're actually going to talk about something I've been rocking with for a good 6 to 8 months. Starting out with the Blink X30, the Blink XT2. Alright, so this is the first model, the Gen 1. If you can get your hands on these still, I know I've only really been seeing them on eBay. This is a good bang for your buck. Let me tell you why. So, it comes with the sync module. It's all wireless, and this is actually like a 5-pack. And what I did was I paid like $200 for this. I know Amazon has gone into the whole subscription model with the newer models, but if you can still get your hands on these, you can still be grandfathered in to where you do not have to pay a subscription for the cloud service. And it's really the same camera with just an upgraded sync module. But let's talk about that sync module in regards to home automation, because you know we are running a smart home, or we're trying to develop our smart home here. And one of the major drawbacks I've seen with this set and with this model is you can only control like all the cameras. You can't do like segmentation of I got internal cameras and I got external cameras. So you want the external cameras to always be armed, or you want the internal cameras to turn off on certain times, or if there's motion here, or turn on if there's motion at certain times of the day. The only way to fix that is add another sync module and camera. So what this is the newer model. Well, previous to the Gen 2, this was the newer model, Blink internal camera. So the difference between these were external, and they have two-way audio in the black. So the black has two-way audio. They're both 1080p cameras. They look the same, they operate the same. This one has a light and there's no two-way audio, but you can hear. So you can monitor what's going on, but you can't talk. With this one, you can talk and monitor what's going on. So it gives you two-way. That's what the two-way is. But the benefit is this is a single camera with a sync module. So the shortfalls of this one, this picks up the slack. And that's basically you install 2 sync modules. I held up 2 with 2 hands, so that's 4. But no, we're talking about just 2. 2 sync modules can really get it done. So the way I did my setup was I have external cameras. So I like angles on my crib. So I want to see what's going on in different angles, and I want to get alerts. So if you popping off in my driveway, I don't need to know if you off in my driveway. If you picking around on my front porch, I need to know, because believe it or not, your Ring doorbell is gonna have some false positives, and it's gonna miss a lot of stuff. So having an extra set of eyes out watching your property is a good thing. And I feel the wireless solution is a good solution for if you are you have a rental property, or you plan to rent your home out, or you own a property and it's not necessarily a rental, it's like a vacation home. Because these batteries, I think I've had one camera in the last 8 months, I've had to change the batteries, and it actually gave me an alert, said battery is low. And it runs off lithium batteries, so just AA lithium batteries, and it works. Cool thing is it syncs with its own app. So when you incorporate if this then that and Amazon Alexa, you can do some real cool things. So like for instance, I can say, hey, disarm my internal cameras when I leave this range. Or so like when I leave my house, arm the cameras. When I come back to my house, disarm just the internal cameras, but keep the external cameras on, because I want those on high alert at all times, because I need to know what's popping, what's going on, because we might need to go, but we don't want to do that. But in case we do, we need to know what's going on. But just a little But that's one feature that you don't get if you just have a single sync module. So that's really where it is. What the sync module does is it gives the wireless cameras somewhere to sync to, basically, and that's how they get their connectivity to the internet. You got to have a strong Wi-Fi signal, and make sure that the sync module has Wi-Fi, and all the cameras can reach the sync module. And it's pretty standard, straight up, easy setup, and anyone can do it. And it comes with a 5-pack. This is like a 5-camera pack, and that cost me like $200. I think it's a little bit more on eBay. I think I've seen a few on eBay. I'll put the listings in the description below. And if I find some more on Amazon, I know they will take them off because they are really pushing their subscription product. But if you can get your hands on the first gen, they work just as well, and you're probably going to be better off anyway because you don't have to pay that monthly subscription. It's $3, but who wants to give Amazon $3 when we're already giving them everything else, because we're in the house ordering from them every day anyway. I digress. But anyway, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick short video. I hope it was very informative for you. I give you a couple of shots and angles and stuff and good camera pics, and you can see how it operates, and it's pretty cool. And until next time, hit that like, subscribe, and share this video, guys, because it's about that remote life, and you can deploy these cameras anytime you want because they wireless, yo. All right, but that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Till next time, we out. Peace.